Okay, in this lesson we are going to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. So mixed numbers into improper fractions. And remember, a mixed number is a whole number plus a fraction, for example, 2.5. And an improper fraction is a number that has a larger numerator than a denominator, like 5 halves. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to take 7.5 and turn it into an improper fraction. So first thing, let's talk about what this actually means. So this tells me I have 7 wholes, and I'm going to divide these into halves because the denominator here tells us what size pieces we're working with. So I'm going to divide mine into halves. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I also have a half. So when I shade these, I've got 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes, 5 holes, 6 whole numbers, 7 whole numbers, plus the half, and I have to put the half right there. So then when I count up how many halves I have, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So written as an improper fraction, it would be 15 halves. Now there's kind of a shortcut way to do this using multiplication and adding. And if we take this this mixed number, what we would do is we would multiply this denominator times the whole number. So I'm going to multiply those, and I'll use my different color here. So 2 times 7, and then I'm going to add the numerator. So in this case it would be 2 times 7, which is 14, plus 1, which is 15, and then we write that over 2. So you can see I still get the same answer, 15 halves, whether I draw the picture and count them up, or whether I use the algorithm here to multiply the denominator times the whole number and then add it to the numerator. So let's do another practice problem. So in this case, let's do, how about 21 and 3/4, and what improper fraction is this? So the first step is I could draw out 21 wholes into fourths and keep on going, and then actually count up how many I have. But this is a pretty big number, and I don't know if I feel like doing that. So I can use my shortcut version here by multiplying the denominator times the whole number and then adding it to the numerator. Now I'm going to write down my fourths first because I know my answer is going to be fourths because it has to match the denominator here. So 4 times 21 is 84. And then I'm going to add 3 to 84, which is 87. So my answer would be 87 fourths. Okay, let's look at another. Next one, let's do 10 and 3/5. Go ahead and push pause and see if you can work this one out on your own, and then push play when you're ready to review it. Okay, so you should have practiced this one, and now let's see how you did. So let's multiply 5 times 10, so that'd be 50, plus 3, so that would be 53 fifths. Okay, another one. Let's do 7 1/8. Go ahead and push pause. Work it out on your own. Push play when you're ready to start and check your work. Okay, so let's check your work. So we're going to do 8, and I'm going to go ahead and write my eighths down here. 8 times 7, that's 56, plus 1, so that's 57, and so my answer would be 57 eighths.